Good morning, Internet. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my amazing educative health videos. I really appreciate your time and I really appreciate the support that you are giving to this channel. Today is another day where I'm going to share with you an interesting health benefits of the Sida Acuta plant. I've already made video on the health benefits of using the Sida Acuta leaves. I've also made video on the health benefits of using the Sida Acuta root. And today the focus is on the stem of the Sida Acuta root. So come with me, come along, watch the video to the end as I reveal to you this fascinating health benefits of the Sida Acuta stem. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am sharing with you the health benefits of the African herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. Be part of this awesome family by only subscribing, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified to watch. Like the video whilst watching and share the video with your family and friends. This is the only way you can support this channel. Comment wherever you're watching the video from under the comment section and also share your thoughts with me under the comment section. As a man, it is your responsibility to provide your family with the basic needs such as clothing, food, shelter, paying the school fees, paying utility bills, etc. And you also have another duty which you must perform. Whether you like it or not, you must perform this duty. And this is the bedroom duty. It is your duty to satisfy your wife in the bedroom. Failure to do this, your wife is going to pack out of your house. A lot of men are performing well in providing the basic needs of the family. But when it comes to satisfying their wives in the bedroom, it becomes a problem. So if you're a man who is suffering from premature ejaculation, if you are suffering from low sexual libido, then watch this video to the end. The Sida Acuta plant is known for its aphrodisiac properties, especially the stem. So keep watching the video as I reveal to you how you can use the stem of the Sida Acuta plant to treat sexual weakness. All right, so this is the Sida Acuta plant. These are the leaves. These are the leaves of the plant, and these are the flowers, the yellowish flowers. It's all over the plant. This is another one. It's all over the plant. Then the stem. So this is the stem of the plant and the roots. The roots. Now the focus today is on the stem of the Sida Acuta plant. The stem of the Sida Acuta plant. So just keep watching the video to the end as I reveal the sexual benefit of eating the Sida Acuta plant or chewing the stem of the Sida Acuta plant. Now what you need is a sharp knife. You need a sharp knife to cut off the branches. So you are going to cut off the branches from the stem and also cut the roots from the stem. Then the stem is what we are going to use. So after cutting the branches and the root from the stem, all you need to do is you peel the stem. So peel the stem. So after peeling the stem, this is what I have now. So this is what I have now, and this is what I'm going to use in today's video. So just keep watching as I reveal to you how you are going to use the Sida Acuta stem to improve your sexual performance as a man. So now the stem is ready and this is what you will be chewing. So after brushing your teeth in the morning, just get the stem of the Sida Acuta plant and start chewing it. Make it your chewing stick every morning. Whilst chewing, be swallowing the juice. Continue this process for at least 3 to 4 months. I want to tell you something. If you really want to use the herbs or the plants for the treatment of medical conditions, then you must have patience. You must be patient. It's very important because using the herbs to treat a medical condition takes time and you must be consistent. So you will be chewing this every day for 3 to 4 months. It's very important. And you will testify based on your performance. You will be the king of the bedroom and your wife will be the most happiest woman on earth. Just give it a try. So that is it for today about the stem of the Sida Acuta plant. Thank you for watching my amazing video. I hope you have learned something new. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't done that. Until I see you in the next one, always eat organic fruits and vegetables, exercise on a daily basis, and visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status. Peace.